town. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
Okay, who loves to ride on a bus?
Me. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town.
Dance to the right, dance to the left, all through the town.
The kids on the bus are singing a song, singing a song, singing a song. The kids on the bus are singing a song. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies on the bus go wah wah wah, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Daddy's finger, what's your favorite color?
I like red, I love red.
Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mommy finger, what's your favorite food?
I like pizza, I like pizza.
Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, what do you like?
I like to dance, I love dancing. I love dancing.
Brother finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, what are you doing?
I am cooking, I love to cook. Oh. Oh. Yay.
Baby finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, do you like to play?
Yes I do, I want to play.
Okay, then let's go out and play.
Yes!
run too fast.
I will be careful. Thank you, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, sweetie.
Ouch! Daddy, Daddy, I was trying to fly the kite and I fell. Oh, I have a boo-boo. Please, Daddy, please help me.
Come here, baby. Let's clean that boo-boo you have on your hand. Now we put a fresh little tissue, and a bandage will keep it safe. You have to always look forward when you're running.
Yes, I will. Thank you, Daddy.
I love you, honey.
I love you too, Dad.
Go play.
Oh no! Ouch!
Oh,
Mommy, Mommy, I was reaching a book and it fell on my head. I have a boo-boo here in my head. Please make it go away.
oh, little baby, let's use this ice pack to help you heal. Leave it right there just for a while and your boo-boo will go away. Sweetheart, you can always call me if you need something that is high.
Yes, Mom. Now I know. I will ask for your help next time.
My sweet munchkin, you'll be safe next time.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Now we're all safe. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for being always there.
Yay! You make our boo-boo go away.
Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. A moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. A cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. A moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Farmer Joe had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O.
doctor said,
Put those monkeys back to bed.
beautiful sky, Mom.
You're right, sweetie. What What a wonderful night!
It's warm and cozy night. Oh, Mom, Dad, look at that magical star. Looks so beautiful. Mom, Dad, could you sing us a song about the star?
Sure, honey. Close your eyes and think about something you love, and you will have a magical night.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, northern star, shining brightly and so far. Guided by your golden light, we follow you through the night. Twinkle, twinkle, northern star, shining brightly and so far. Twinkle, twinkle, glowing bright, dancing through the sky at night, watching over as we sleep. In our bed we dream so deep. Twinkle, twinkle, glowing bright, dancing through the sky at night. Sleeping, sleeping in the zoo, we love to spend this time with you. Think about something nice, sweet dreams the whole night. Sleeping, sleeping in the zoo, we love to spend this time with you.
Shh, honey, they're sleeping now.
Sweet dreams, honey.
Good night, everyone.
Do you want to learn the ABCs? Okay, that's great. Here we go. A, B, C,
ready for the shapes game?
Yes!
Okay, here we go.
What shape is this? Can you say the name of this shape? What shape is this? It has 4 sides.
It's a square.
Very good. Can you show me a square thing?
This and this?
Very good. That's a square.
What shape is this? Can you say the name of this shape? What shape is this? It has 3 sides.
It's a triangle.
Very good.
Can you show me a triangle thing?
This or this?
Very good. That's a triangle. What shape is this? Can you say the name of this shape? What shape is this? It doesn't have any sides.
Do you know what shape is this?
It's a circle.
Very good. Can you show me a circle thing?
This.
Very good. That's a circle.
What shape is this? Can you say the name of this shape? What shape is this? It has 4 sides.
It's a rectangle.
Very good. Can you show me a rectangle?
This or this?
Very good. That's a rectangle. What shape is this? Can you say the name of this shape? What shape is this? It has 5 pointy arms.
It's a star.
Very good. Can you show me a star thing?
This or this?
Very good. That's a star. What shape is this? Can you say the name of this shape? What shape is this? It has a curvy and lovely shape.
It's a heart.
Very good.
Can you show me a heart?
This.
Very good. That's a heart.
That was so much fun. Can we play it again?
Huh? Where is baby? Ah, peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, we love to play peekaboo. Where is baby? Where is baby? Are you behind the curtains? Nope. Are you under the covers? No. Under the bed. Yeah.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Peekaboo.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay. Peekaboo, peekaboo, we love to play peekaboo.
Where is baby? Where is baby? Are you behind the sofa? No. Are you under the table? No. Oh, behind the huge teddy bear.
Peekaboo.
Yay!
I see you. Peekaboo.
Where is baby? Where is baby? Are you in the playroom? Nope. Are you behind the building blocks? Nope. Behind the chair? Yeah. Peekaboo.
I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, we love to play. Peekaboo.
Where is baby? Where is baby? Are you behind that tree? Nope. Are you on the swings? Nope. On the slide? Yeah.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, we love to play. Peekaboo. Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating chocolate,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. Brother, brother,
Yes, sister.
eating candies,
No, sister.
telling lies.
No, sister.
Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Sweetie, sweetie,
Yes, Daddy.
eating ice cream,
No, Daddy.
telling lies.
No, Daddy.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yum, yum. Yum. Uh-oh.
Daddy, Daddy,
Yes, baby.
eating cake,
No, baby.
telling lies.
No, baby.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. Honey, honey,
Yes, my love.
eating cupcakes,
No, my love.
telling lies.
No, my love.
Open your mouth.
Honey, you have to wake up. It's time to go to school. There's no more time to sleep.
No, 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 I don't want to get up. I like to sleep a lot and stay in my bed.
Waking up early is good for you. You will have a longer day to play.
Okay, I will get up.
Okay, good one. Very good.
Darling, you have to brush your teeth. Get your toothbrush and brush, brush, brush.
No, 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 I don't like to brush my teeth. I don't like to brush my teeth. No, no, no.
Brushing your teeth is very important. It will keep them healthy and bright.
Okay. I will brush my teeth.
Yay! Sweetie, it's time for a bath. You need to take a bath before you go to school.
No, 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 I don't want to take a bath. I don't like bath. No, no, no.
Taking a bath is very good for you, and you can play with your water toys.
Huh, okay. I will take a bath.
Honey bunch, it's time to have your breakfast. Sit at the table and have some milk.
No, 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 I don't want to drink milk. I don't like milk. No, no, no.
Drinking milk is very healthy. It will keep you healthy and strong.
Okay. I will have some milk.
Very good. Now you're ready to go to school.
Goodbye, Mommy and Daddy.
Honey, let's go and brush your teeth.
Yes, 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 I love to brush my teeth.
Brushing your teeth will keep them clean and bright.
Yes, 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 I love to brush my teeth.
Sweetie, come on and take a bath.
Yes, 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 I like to take a bath.
You can bring your water toys to the bathtub.
Yes, 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 I love to take a bath.
Darling, it's time to go to bed.
Yes, 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 I love to go to bed.
Put on your pajamas, get your teddy bear.
Yes, 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 I love to go to bed.
Children, it's time for a story.
Yes, 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 I like story time.
Pick your favorite story. Close your eyes.
Yes, 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 I'm ready to listen to the story.
Have sweet dreams, kids. Good night.
Oh, goodbye, Mom and Dad.
Watch out for that stone, Dad.
Oh, where? Oh, what?
No, no, it's just a trick.
Oh, honey. I think it's time to tell you a story. There was a boy who watched the sheep, the silliest boy you ever did see. One sunny day, who knows why, he thought for fun he'd tell a lie.
Wolf, please come, hurry, hurry, run, run, run.
And up the hill a farmer came to chase that wolf away again.
There was no wolf, not even one.
It's just a trick I played for fun.
Hey, young man, don't play that trick on me again. Huh.
Okay, I promise.
The very next day at 10:30, the silly boy decided to trick them again. Up from the hill he shouted out loud,
Wolf, wolf,
and just for fun,
wolf, please come. Hurry, hurry, run,
the hill the farmer came to chase that wolf away again.
There was no wolf! Not even one!
It's just a trick I played for fun.
Hey! I told ya! Don't play that trick on me again! Huh?
Okay, I promise.
But that same day at the afternoon, a big bad wolf came into view. Into the field the wolf did creep to scare the boy and steal the sheep.
Wolf! Please come! Hurry! Hurry! It's not a game! Please come now! Run, run, run!
No one came to help this time. The wolf stole every sheep in sight. The little boy was very sad because he knew that he'd been bad. He decided there and then,
I'll never ever lie again.
the most important thing